I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by physically connecting your guitar to the interface and confirming Garageband recognizes that input. This is crucial so signal flows into the app. Once done, create a new audio track selecting the correct input channel and choose mono for single guitars. Stereo only if using stereo die. Make sure monitoring is on so you can hear tone and latency. Set your input gain so peaks sit around -12 to -6 decibels. This prevents clipping and leaves headroom. Now refine how the guitar sounds and how tracks are routed. Select an amp model or record direct and load an amp plugin for flexibility. Use EQ to cut muddiness and compression to control dynamics, but avoid overprocessing. Record in 24-bit for better headroom and create a guide track or click for consistent timing. If you hear delay while monitoring, enable low latency mode to reduce the buffer. Finally, arm the track, run a short test take, and adjust levels and plugin settings. When you record, use cycle mode to capture several takes, and then make a composite by comping the best phrases. This gives you a clean final performance. Edit with the scissors and fade tools to remove noise and clicks, and use flex time to tighten timing without destructive edits. Apply gentle EQ and a limiter for final polish, then export through Share right arrow export song to disk at your chosen sample rate and bit depth. If playback or export fails, check input routing, buffer size, and CPU-heavy plugins as the primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.